Hello everyone, welcome to Titan Turtles Club. This is Xinle. We'll continue the Hide series. Today we'll talk about hide scheduled task in Windows. Alright, let's go to a Windows environment. Here is a 64-bit Windows 10 operating system. So first we will open the task scheduler by type task scheduler in the search box, and you can click run as an administrator. So we click create a task over here, and let's say we want to create a task that run Notepad every minute. So Notepad run, and triggers, new trigger. Okay, repeat task every 1 minute. All right, click OK, and in the actions we will run a simply the Notepad. Okay, all right, OK and OK. So if we don't do anything, every minute a notepad will start. All right. So normally, when we want to do forensic analysis for a Windows machine, what we want to do is we want to use a software called sysinternal suite. Actually, it's not just one software. Uh, it's a bundle of several different softwares. So you can search sysinternal suite from Google, and it will link you to the Microsoft website, and you can download the sysinternal suite. And after uh, you extract the files, you will see that there are several, quite a few of running files over here. So one of the very useful file over here is auto runs. So because we are using the 64 bits of Windows, so we run the auto runs 64.exe. We run as an administrator. And do you want to continue? Yes. All right, so when we open the auto runs, it will show every, every single ways of opening some automatic uh, scheduled task or automatic applications or softwares. So we will focus on the scheduled tasks, and we will see that there's a notepad run over here, right? All right, so what we want to do right now is we want to start to hide it. So how to do it? Um, so let's go to here, search box, type CMD, and run the command prompt as an administrator, and click yes. So what we want to do is actually we want to run the regedit in the system user. So right now I'm just a administrator user, so that's not enough. So let's go to the cd slash users slash okay, cd Tony Stark, cd downloads, cd sysinternals. Okay, so we will run a file called PSEXEC64. So by doing this, we will be able to run some program as if we are a system user. Okay, so we can do PowerShell. All right, now when we type who am I and hit enter, you can see that we are NT authorities / system user. All right, so let's do it. Regedit. Okay, so we open the reg, uh, regedit. So registry editor. So where we are going is we'll go to the HKey local machine, software, Microsoft, and we'll go to under the Microsoft, we'll go to the Windows NT current version, and then down below there's something called a schedule and the task cache. Okay, in the task cache, there's a tree. So when we click the tree, we will see that there's a folder called, there's an item called Notepad Run. Okay, so if we want to hide this Notepad Run from the task scheduler, what we can do is we will rename. There are three items here. One is ID, one is index, and one is SD. What we'll do is we will rename this SD. Basically, we're removing this SD, but we want to keep it. So yeah, we just rename it. Later on, we can rename it back. All right. So as you can see, the notepad already start to pop up. Yeah. Okay. So after we change it, okay, so we want to go back over here. So in the auto runs, normally it will show all the scheduled tasks, but when we hit refresh, as you can see, the notepad run is gone. Essentially uh, we're hiding the a scheduled tasks from the auto runs. And also, if you go over here and let's let's click the refresh. As you can see, after we click the refresh, let's bring it bigger. So we won't be able to see the notepad run anymore. It's gone. All right. And as you can see, it's still running, right? And so by doing this, we are essentially hiding the running task, scheduled task from the task scheduler and from the auto runs as well. So you can see the notepad is still popping up. All right. So if we want to show them back again, we can rename this SD back to the SD again. And afterwards, we can close our regedit. And if we go back to the auto runs, refresh, and so if you scroll down, you can see the notepad run is over here. And in the task scheduler, if you click refresh, you can see the notepad run again. All right. So this is how we can hide a scheduled task from showing up in the task scheduler and auto runs. Yeah, thank you very much. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to uh, subscribe our channel and also click the bell button on top right corner so that every time if we post a new video, you can get notified. All right, thank you very much and see you again.